So we're going to put the red thread on the spool holder, put the cap on, but you don't want it to be too tight. And we're going to go over to the first metal guide. And then this is our bobbin tension discs. So you can see I've got instructions on the top of my machine as to how the thread goes through those tension discs. So I'm going to come around the front clockwise, go around the discs, and then it's going to head over to the bobbin winder. One thing I wanted to show you before we start winding our bobbin is when you engage this bobbin winder clear over to the right side, what that's going to do is the motor is only going to run this bobbin spindle. It's not going to move the needle on the machine. If we just press on our presser foot, you'll see just the bobbin spindle is going to move. And the needle did not move at all. So I'm going to disengage that, move it over to the left, and we're going to thread our bobbin. Your machine will come with certain bobbins, and you need to use the bobbins that come with your machine. Some are going to be plastic, like this one, and some might be metal. If you look at the bobbin, it has a little hole in here, actually 2 holes. What you're going to do is you're going to take your thread and go in from the middle and up to the top through the hole. And then you're going to hold on to that tail. You're going to put the bobbin on the bobbin spindle and make sure it's all the way down. We're going to move it to the right to engage it, and then we're going to lightly press on the presser foot and start making our bobbin. And you'll notice I was still holding on to this tail. If you let go of the tail, then you can lose the thread and it won't wind around the bobbin. So once you've gone a few ways around the bobbin, we're going to cut the thread off and just continue making the bobbin with as much thread as you want on it or completely full. Once your bobbin is as full as you'd like it, move the bobbin spindle back over to the left and then cut your thread. I would read your instruction manual for the directions on your type of bobbin and bobbin holder. Mine is a drop-in bobbin, but on your machine, you might actually have a side bobbin holder, which is usually on the front of the machine. To put the bobbin in, I'm going to move the little lever and pop off the lid. And I would also follow the directions for your type of machine as to how the bobbin goes into the machine. On my machine, I want to hold the bobbin so that it makes the letter P. So you can see the letter P. So I'm going to drop it in. And then I'm going to take the tail and hold on to the bobbin, and I'll take the tail and I'm going to put it under this little metal bar. Just slide the thread over. And then we're just going to leave that and we're going to start threading the machine.